Good morning to all. Now I am going to present center of gravity of a solid cone presented by P. Parameswari. Now we are going to discuss about center of gravity of a solid cone. Center of gravity of a solid cone. When the number of bases of a pyramid is increased indefinitely, the plane base becomes a circle. Hence, the pyramid becomes a right solid cone of size h. The center of gravity of a cone lies at a depth of 3 by 4 h from the vertex. The center of gravity of a cone can be calculated as follows. Let A, B, C represent the cross section of the right cone of height h. Let R be the radius of the base and D is the center. AD is equal to h, the vertical height of the cone. Consider a disk B dash C dash of the thickness Tx at a distance x from the vertex of the cone. The disk is parallel to the base. Let alpha be the semi-vertical angle of the cone. If y is the radius of the elementary disk, then y is equal to x tan alpha. Volume of the disk equal to area into thickness, which is equal to pi x square tan square alpha Tx. If rho is the density of the cone, the mass of the disk is equal to pi x square tan square alpha Tx rho. The moment of disk is equal to pi x square rho tan square alpha Tx into x. In a similar way, we can divide the cone into different disks and the moment of disk can be calculated. The sum of moment of disk about the point A is equal to integral limit 0 to h pi rho tan square alpha x cube dx. After integration is equal to pi rho tan square alpha h power 4 by 4. Volume of the cone is equal to integral limit 0 to h pi tan square alpha x square dx. After integration is equal to pi tan square alpha h cube by 3. Mass of the cone is equal to pi tan square alpha h cube rho by 3. Let us consider the center of gravity of the cone is at a distance x bar from the vertex. Moment of mass of the cone is equal to pi rho tan square alpha h cube x bar by 3. Therefore, pi rho tan square alpha h cube x bar by 3 is equal to pi rho tan square alpha h power 4 by 4. After cancelling pi rho tan square alpha h cube, we get x bar equal to 3 by 4 h. Therefore, the center of gravity of the cone is on its axis at a distance 3 by 4 h from the vertex. Thank you.